Friends, this is my second video in this niche. Please check the video. We are using the same stick figure character in all the videos on this channel. This channel is simple and easy. In the previous video, we discussed the Simple Actually channel, but today we are talking about the Simple Easy channel. This is the same type of channel, the same category, and the same niche, my friends. This channel has 88.8K subscribers with just 33 videos. And yes, my friends, this channel is United States based, which means it earns in dollars. Look at this channel. It was created in February 2025 and now it's 2026. You can create this type of channel and earn money. These creators don't make only one channel. They create 3 to 5 similar channels and earn millions of dollars, my friends. So today, in this video, we will make the same type of character video using a 100% free AI tool. No credit card needed, just log in. And in just 3 minutes, you can create a full video. So let's start the video without wasting any time, my friends. Let's go! Today, we're not going to analyze any channel. We'll directly use prompts to generate images. First, come to ChatGPT and log in using the free AI tool. We're using the free model of ChatGPT. Now simply paste this prompt. Minimal cartoon-style illustration, clean black outlines with simple flat colors, grayscale background with 1 or 2 muted accent colors like soft green or blue. A stick figure style character with an expressive face and simple clothing, placed in a basic environment with minimal props. No detailed textures, no shading, just flat colors. The background should be plain white or lightly shaded with a few simple objects for context. Art style similar to hand-drawn explainer animations. Now ask ChatGPT. Please give me 10 image prompts. ChatGPT will give you the top 10 image prompts, but they won't be fully ready yet. So next, ask ChatGPT. Please give me a consistent character in all image prompts. This time, ChatGPT will give you 10 image prompts with the same consistent character. These are the prompts we'll use to generate our images. After that, ask ChatGPT. Please give me 10 motion prompts. ChatGPT will then give you 10 motion video prompts, which we'll use to generate video motion. So friends, now we have image prompts and motion video prompts. And now it's time to generate the AI images. For that, we'll use a 100% free tool. Now go to Google and search for ImageFX. Open the first link. And my friends, I've also provided the link in the description. Now open the first website. You'll see this 100% free AI image generation website, where you can generate unlimited images. First, log in using your Google ID. This is very important, my friends. Very important. Now let's generate AI images. First, go to ChatGPT and copy the main consistent character prompt. Then come back to ImageFX and paste the prompt. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and again come back to ImageFX and paste it. Now select the aspect ratio, either 9:16 or 16:9. It's totally up to you. Then simply click Generate. Now wait just a few seconds. And boom! Look, my friends. Our image is ready. It looks amazing, super clean, and the character is perfectly consistent. I love it. Now copy the second image prompt, paste it into ImageFX, and click Generate again. Wait a few seconds, and yes, the second image is ready. Repeat the same process for all images. No changes needed, my friends. Once all the images are ready, simply save them to your PC. Now next, we're going to generate an AI video using a 100% free AI tool. So let's generate the video. This time, my friends, let's go! I've provided the link in the description. Simply open the AI video maker, This is a 100% free AI tool. Yes, my friends, again, totally free. With this tool, we can generate AI videos from images. When you open the website, first log in using your Google ID. Please make sure you are using a VPN, my friends. This is very important. Without a VPN, the site may not work properly. The login process is very simple. You'll see that no credit card is required. We are generating videos completely for free. On the home page, you'll see many options like text to video, image to video, AI image editor, and even singing photo, which is trending right now. If you scroll down, you'll see even more tools such as AI talking photo, AI image editor, add sound to video, AI video, upscaler, AI product avatar, and many more. You can create a lot of content using this single tool, my friends. On the left side, you'll see more options like text to video, AI talking photo, AI image generator, and other tools. Now it's time to generate our AI video. Click on Image to Video. This is a free tool, my friends. By default, you'll see the free AI video model. There is also a VO3 model, but that's for pro users. Now simply upload your image. I'll upload the image now, my friends. Next, go to ChatGPT and copy the first video motion prompt. Come back to the AI video maker and paste the prompt. Now click on Advanced Settings. But don't change anything. All settings are locked in the free version. Pro users can unlock them, but we're using the free model. Now simply click on Generate Video. It will take about 3 minutes, so please wait, my friends. Just a little patience, and boom! The video is ready, my friends. Look at this video. It's amazing and perfectly matches the prompt we provided. Just save the video to your PC. This tool is truly amazing, my friends. Super powerful and completely free. Now simply upload the second image and repeat the same process. Paste the next motion prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. Follow the same process for all videos. Once all videos are ready, simply download or save them to your PC, my friends. That's it. Same process every time. Now it's time to edit the video. We'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, my friends, and import all the videos. Now add them to a simple timeline and adjust the speed of the clips. You can also add smooth transitions, add sound effects, or adjust the sound. If you want, you can also tweak the color settings, like brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Once the final video is ready, simply export the video in 4K resolution. My friends, we made this full video using 100% free tools. Now copy the channel name and upload the video. Post one video every 2 days and stay consistent. So, my friends, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel.